Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Roblox account step by step. First of all, open the Roblox app that you have already downloaded. When the app opens, you will see two main options on the screen, create account and sign in. Tap on create account to begin the registration process. Next, you will need to enter your birthday by selecting the correct month, day and year. This step is important because Roblox uses this information to apply age-appropriate settings and ensure a safer gaming experience. After that, create your username. Choose something creative and fun, but make sure not to use your real name or anything personal. If your chosen username is already taken, Roblox will suggest similar options or ask you to try a different one. Then, choose your gender if you want to. This step is completely optional and can be skipped if you prefer. Then, tap on continue to proceed to the next step. After that, Roblox will prompt you to create a passkey using your Google account. Select your Gmail account from the list. Using a passkey means you won't need to type your password every time you log in, which adds both convenience and security. Once everything is complete, you will be automatically signed in and taken to your new Roblox account. From here, you can start exploring games, customizing your avatar, and enjoying all the features Roblox has to offer. And that's it. Now you know how to create Roblox account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.